Oh, you beautiful people. My new derailleur. My old derailleur's garbage. I bent the lower cage and also it's like very scratched up. Now we'll replace it. This is the Sram Annex 11 speed. It has a little clutch and also has like a lockout feature when you're working on your derailleur, so you can just like, it's a lot easier to work. But this is the original derailleur that came with this bike. This bike is in 2017, so it's like 6 years old now. And it's withstanding a lot of hits. You can see all the scratches and stuff, and it's performed very well. And this bike has been used almost daily. So the tools that we need to get this derailleur apart and get the new derailleur on is a mother tool. This one's Crank Brothers M19. We have a review on this channel that you can watch. We also have a new derailleur. You need some way to get your chain apart. Just pull it apart. Usually you can do it by hand, but sometimes you need pliers. Now, you need to take this bolt right here and loosen it so we can take the cable out. So now I can take the cable out of this right there. And now we got that out of the way, we can get the derailleur off the derailleur hanger, which is right here. Most derailleurs are held on by the derailleur hanger, but some bikes don't have derailleur hangers. It's just directly onto the frame. Now let's stuff on the new derailleur and put this cable back through. Now let's put the cable back through. Why isn't that going in?
Don't fray the end too much.
So once you have the cable back in, then you can just tighten it. Then we'll adjust the derailleur. So it can be hard to put the chain back on, so we're gonna do now. So you gotta pay attention to which way it goes. Now just attach the ends with the master links. Now we're just going to adjust the derailleur to get, and this is the last step to get your bike working again, so we'll try to get this tightened again, and then we're going to mess with the limit screws and try to get it working again. Alright, that looks pretty good. Adjusted it with the limit screws and also a little bit with the barrel adjuster, and it seems to be working alright.